I've been using this HDMI cable from Ultralink since the HDMI 1.4 era. It still works today, even using 4K signal, connecting my Magnetar UB800 to my Panasonic GZ2000 OLED TV. The only problem, if it is a problem at all, is just the cable is very thick, making it a little bit difficult to manage. So I went to Amazon.ca, you can find the purchase link in my description, and bought these Ruipro ultra-thin HDMI 2.1 HDMI cable. Now let's see what's inside. Oh, it comes as a 2-pack. And there you go, that's how it looks like. Very, very thin. And here's the direct comparison between the cable and my dog. And as you can see, my dog is not impressed when I compare her to a cable. I wonder why. So instead, let's compare it to the Ultralink cable that I'm currently using. Here we go again in my hand. And again, in my hand. It has an outer diameter of only 3 millimeters, and that is the thinnest HDMI cable I have in my collection. And here it is, replacing the Atlona HDMI cable on the left. I'm using the ultra-thin Ruipro HDMI shown on the right to connect from my TV to my Sonos Arc. My apology for the blurry cam. And for my bedroom, I also replaced my Geffen HDMI cable to the Ruipro 3mm HDMI cable, simply to make things to look more neat and less messy. How do the cables perform? Well, they perform as an HDMI cable should perform. When connected to an Apple TV 4K, these cables pass the 422 4K 60 signal. And because these cables are passive cables, they will practically live forever. The only caveat is that because the cables are so thin, you can only buy these cables at 1.5 feet or 3 feet. That's it. So there you go. That's my review of these cables. Leave your comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.